The iPhone 18 Pro Max could be one of Apple's biggest upgrades yet, but an unexpected supply problem may threaten its launch. Reports suggest Apple is facing a shortage of DRAM memory chips, and this could create serious problems for production and availability. The situation is reportedly significant because Apple already has a massive number of processors waiting to be turned into finished iPhones. However, some reports claim that processors worth around $1 billion are currently stuck in the production pipeline because the necessary memory components are not arriving quickly enough. That creates a major bottleneck. DRAM might not sound as exciting as a new processor or camera, but it plays a critical role in every modern smartphone. It provides the temporary high-speed memory needed to run apps, games, background tasks, and the operating system. Even with a powerful processor ready to go, the phone cannot be completed without enough memory chips, and that could become a major problem for the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Apple relies on a huge global manufacturing network, with major partners such as Foxconn and BYD helping produce its devices. But no matter how large that network is, missing components can bring parts of the manufacturing process to a halt. The timing is also concerning. Memory demand is increasing across the technology industry as smartphones, computers, servers, and AI systems all require more advanced memory. Apple has enormous buying power, but even Apple cannot instantly increase DRAM production when suppliers are already under pressure. This could lead to an unusual launch situation. Apple might have enough iPhone 18 Pro Max units available for the initial release, but supplies could become much tighter afterward. Customers could face longer delivery times, limited store inventory, or difficulty finding specific storage and color combinations. For someone planning to upgrade immediately, that could be frustrating. Instead of walking into a store and getting the desired model, buyers might have to wait weeks for new stock. There is another concern: pricing. If memory and other components become more expensive, Apple will have to decide whether to absorb those costs or pass some of them to customers. Apple has significant control over its pricing, but a prolonged component shortage could increase the cost of manufacturing each iPhone. That raises the possibility of a higher price for the iPhone 18 Pro Max. What makes this situation even more interesting is the hardware expected inside the phone. The flagship is rumored to feature Apple's A20 Pro chip, potentially built using TSMC's advanced 2nm manufacturing technology. That could deliver better performance and improved power efficiency. But there is a simple problem. Having an extremely powerful processor does not help if there are not enough completed phones to sell. The memory shortage could therefore become more than a supplier issue. It could test how effectively Apple manages its entire production chain. Apple has handled supply problems in the past and has the resources to negotiate with suppliers, adjust production, and move components where they are needed most. Still, if memory demand remains extremely high, finding a quick solution may not be easy. This situation also highlights how complicated smartphone manufacturing has become. A phone contains hundreds of components, and a shortage of just one important part can slow down the entire production process, even when expensive components such as processors are already sitting in factories. For Apple, the priorities are clear: secure enough DRAM, keep production moving, control costs, and make sure customers can actually get the iPhone 18 Pro Max at launch. If the shortage is resolved quickly, it may become nothing more than a temporary manufacturing problem. But if it continues, limited availability, longer delivery times, and potentially higher prices could become major concerns for Apple fans. So the biggest challenge for the iPhone 18 Pro Max might not be its technology. It could simply be making enough units to meet demand. Would higher prices or limited availability change your decision to buy the iPhone 18 Pro Max? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tech news and updates.